This is 5 pounds of fat, and if you lose exactly this much next month, you will look worse naked, not better. Worse, you've been lied to. Every calorie app, every cardio plan, every just eat less influencer, all of them miss the one thing that actually matters. And most men figure this out only after years of suffering. You're about to figure it out in the next 9 minutes. Here's what actually happens. You look in the mirror, you see the belly. So you do what every guy does. You eat 1,500 calories, you hit the treadmill, you suffer, the scale drops, you celebrate, then you take your shirt off, and nothing changed. Same gut, same softness, just smaller, just weaker. That's not fat loss. That's self-destruction. But here's the part nobody talks about. You were never just fat. You were skinny fat. And those are two completely different biological problems with two completely different solutions. Picture a wire hanger. Now drape a wet blanket over it. That's your body right now. No muscle underneath, just skin sitting on a skeleton. And when you crash diet and run 5 miles a day, your body doesn't burn the belly fat first, it burns the muscle. Why? Because muscle is expensive to your body. It costs calories just to exist. Fat is cheap. Fat is your body's emergency survival battery. So in a brutal deficit, your body makes a cold, logical choice. It eats itself. The scale goes down. But what you actually lost was the last bit of muscle holding your frame together. The gut barely moved. You didn't lose fat. You lost the structure. You have to flip the biological signal completely. Instead of telling your body shrink, you need to tell it build armor. Heavy mechanical tension, real weight, real resistance, forces your body to construct scaffolding underneath your skin. As that muscle grows, it physically pushes outward. It stretches the skin tight. It raises your metabolism so you burn more calories just sitting still. But you cannot get there with bouncy bicep curls. You need the big 5. The worst part of the skinny fat look isn't the belly itself. It's how a plain white t-shirt exposes it. To fix that, you build a shelf. The upper chest, hit it with heavy incline press, 30-degree angle, dumbbells or barbell. Don't push the weight out. Press it up and in, biceps moving toward your center line. Feel that deep stretch at the bottom, squeeze at the top. When you build a thick upper chest, the fabric of your shirt drapes straight down from your pecs, completely hiding your midsection. That's not magic, that's geometry. The upper chest hides the gut from the front. This hides it from the back, and from every angle. Pull-ups, lat pull-downs, the vertical pull. Your lats, the massive, sweeping muscles along your back. When they grow wide, your waist mathematically appears smaller by comparison. But 90% of men do this wrong. They grab the bar and yank with their arms. That's just a bicep workout. To actually hit the lats, before you bend a single elbow, pull your shoulders down, lift your chest toward the ceiling, then drive your elbows into your back pockets. Wide lats are the cheat code for a small waist. Use them. This next one is the most skipped exercise in every gym. It's also the single most important movement in the entire Big 5, the Romanian deadlift. Most skinny fat men have terrible posture, shoulders forward, lower back arched, pelvis tilted, and that pelvic tilt alone, it pushes the stomach outward. It can make your gut look twice the size it actually is. The RDL fixes this at the source. Grab a barbell or 2 heavy dumbbells. Legs nearly straight, slight bend at the knee. Now push your hips backward, like someone tied a rope around your waist and is pulling you toward the wall behind you. Chest stays up, back stays flat. Feel that tearing stretch through your hamstrings and glutes. Drive the hips forward to stand. This movement physically realigns your skeleton. It corrects the pelvic tilt. It pulls the gut inward, naturally, permanently. If you only did one movement from this list, make it this one. You cannot build an elite upper body on chicken legs, squats, leg press, Bulgarian split squats if you train at home. The quads and glutes are the largest muscle groups in your entire body. When you train them heavy, they demand an enormous amount of calories just to recover. Building heavy legs turns your metabolism into a furnace that runs all day, even when you're sitting on a couch doing nothing. Go deep. Push the knees forward over the toes. Pause at the bottom and feel the muscle stretch under load. Heavy legs change body composition faster than almost anything else. This is the most functional thing a human being can do in a gym. Grab 2 ridiculously heavy dumbbells. Stand tall. Brace your core like someone's about to punch you. Shoulders back. Now, walk. Gravity tries to crush your spine. The weight tries to rip your shoulders from their sockets. Your obliques, your deep core muscles, your forearms, all firing at absolute maximum just to keep you standing upright. No exercise strips soft tissue from the midsection and replaces it with dense, functional muscle faster than this one. It doesn't look impressive, but nothing works like it. 3 to 4 days a week, 3 to 4 sets per movement, 6 to 12 reps for the heavy lifts, 10 to 20 reps for the farmer's walk. Take every set close to failure. That last set, go all the way. Add weight or add reps every single week. If the workout doesn't get harder, your body has zero reason to keep building. That's the whole system. Stop starving yourself. If you're doing the Big Five and eating 1,500 calories, your body has no fuel to build anything. Eat at maintenance. Hit roughly 1 gram of protein per pound of your target body weight. Then let the process work. It's called body recomposition, and it doesn't take a lifetime. 3 months, you'll start to see it. 6 months, people will start asking. You can keep running on that treadmill. Keep counting every calorie. Keep getting smaller and softer and wondering why nothing changes. Or you step off the treadmill, you pick up something heavy, and you start building. Throw the scale away. The next time you look in that mirror, make sure it's a different man looking back.